was sleeping at this gas station, so we knocked on the window and said he'd be willing to take us. So we've been here for a week, and we were stopped because of all the airport stuff. So we decided we got to get home, so we're gonna take this cab to Reagan, and then we've got a SUV reserved there, so we're gonna drive to Richmond, Virginia. We got our flights transferred there, and then we're gonna hopefully be able to get out of Richmond and head back to Seattle.
People get up, I know they got to get back to work tomorrow, so some people probably need a driveway shovel, or or they parkway so they can get out to drive. And so I get out early in the morning, try to help as much as I can, and try to make a little few bucks.
I'll put them on in a minute.